Hi guys, it's me Hamster All Stars 47 here, so just ignore the green screen in the background. I've just had to move my room around so I can clean out Nutmeg and Cinnamon, and that's what today's YouTube video is going to be about. Showing you guys how I clean out my hamsters now, because it changed since last time I did a video on how I clean them out. So at the moment they are asleep in their tank, and what I usually do firstly is take them out and put them in a play box, and this is just an area where they can just sleep or play, do whatever they like. And I'm sorry if it sounds really windy, but I think we're having some sort of storm outside because it's super windy and all the trees are like going kaput on the floor and things, so it's not really the best of weathers. But anyways, let's get started. So step number one, when I'm cleaning out Nutmeg and Cinnamon, I just put them in their play box to have a little play while I clean them, so they have a bit of fun. Hello. And they're very well behaved, as you can see. And they just have a nap or just run around in their play box. And I'm also going to be cleaning out their play box as well, because it has some bad old flooring in there now. Step number two, I get my bin bag and begin removing everything. Obviously, apart from their toys, obviously doesn't go in the bin. So first I probably move the toys. So I've literally just cleared it all out. So next I just give it a wipe down with some cage disinfectant, because I clean out the tank every 3 weeks. And I only put a little bit in, and I'll also use some glass cleaner on the outside to make the glass nice and shiny. Usually I'll take the backing off, but I'm going to keep the backing because I like it for the January cage store. So now that I've cleared it all, I'm just going to add in the fresh stitch bedding, and it's super heavy and it doesn't really fit, so I have to kind of do it like this.